Have we got our weather timing down or what? This is looking north along 13th Street. What a great afternoon to begin the long weekend out there. I don't think too many people were complaining, and unless you're looking for lots of snow and stuff like that. We're not going to see it. Right now, 14 degrees and sunny with a light north wind. Sit out on the deck there, enjoy the afternoon, get ready for your Good Friday supper if you're planning anything like that. Temperatures around southern Alberta, we've got low to mid-teens, very consistent through our areas. A little bit cooler into the north and east of us. When you cross the mountains, we got 13 in Cranbrook. Get far enough west, I believe it's 18 degrees currently in Penticton in the Okanagan Valley. You can see just sort of a very diffuse cold front moving very slowly through central Alberta now. That's going to take its time. It'll get here late in the day tomorrow. We'll see increasing cloud ahead of it, but not that much. You can see right now on the radar now just a few, and these aren't even showers. These are mostly virga, rain evaporating before it hits the ground out near Sundre and just to the north of the Porcupine Hills there, and I don't think we're worried about anything. You can see the computer forecaster here does show the chance of some brief sprinkles just around Lethbridge and areas to the west along the... I don't think any of that's going to happen, and by 10 o'clock, just cloudy over our regions, and then it should clear out. We'll see lots of sunshine tomorrow, and then late in the day, probably increasing cloud, and then it looks like Sunday will be a cloudy day, and there's even the chance of some flurries along the foothills once again north of the Crow's Nest Pass. But other than that, I think it'll be pretty dry in Lethbridge through the period. Cool in the Maritimes and Atlantic Canada, but mild as you get further west. -1 in St. John's, 4 degrees currently in Halifax, 2 in Moncton, 8 in Montreal, 6 in Ottawa, 10 in Toronto and Windsor. And it's cool in the eastern prairies, only 0s in Winnipeg and Regina, 1 in Saskatoon, 8 degrees in Edmonton, 16 in Kelowna, 13 in Vancouver, and we've got mild temperatures in the Yukon, 1 at Whitehorse, more seasonal as you get into the Northwest Territories though. Here's the forecast. If you're heading west, that's actually going to be the best weather through the rest of the weekend. High of 16 tomorrow with mainly sunny skies in the Cranbrook region. Look for Crow's Nest Pass to see a high of 12 with variable amounts of cloud. Medicine Hat, you can expect to see increasing cloud with a high of 11. And Lethbridge tomorrow, we can expect to see increasing cloud too. Maybe not quite as mild as today, but still very comfortable at 12 degrees. So tomorrow, 12 degrees with increasing cloud. More cloud on Sunday with a high of 8. And then we start to pull back up. We could get as high as the high teens on Tuesday with sunny skies before we see ourselves cooling off again on Wednesday. Citizen salute time here. This one is for Sharon Marsden, who happens to take greyhounds once they've passed their professional life racing and rehabilitates them and then finds homes for them through the area. So we want to congratulate you, Sharon, and you're the one who's going to get the big basket coming up. Jackie?